friends and family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, bienvenidos. My name is Joanna, nice to meet you, and please consider subscribing and joining our wonderful fusion family where we're all about good food and diversity. Last week I asked you guys what recipe you were most curious to see, and a lot of you wanted to know how I make horchata flavored ice cream. Horchata is a tasty rice milk beverage with a hint of cinnamon that makes a great ice cream flavor. I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients, measurements, as well as substitutions down in the description box, but before I continue rambling on, let's get started.
To a bowl, add some white rice, then a whole stick of cinnamon, followed by some water, just enough to cover the rice completely. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap before placing in the refrigerator so the rice can soften overnight. The morning after is when we'll begin adding the softened rice to a blender, as well as the cinnamon stick from before, some sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and a bit of water. Cover the blender and blend on medium speed for about 3 minutes or until the mixture is completely smooth. Then thoroughly strain the rice mixture, making sure to remove as much of the liquid as possible. To a small mixing bowl, add some egg yolks, cornstarch, a bit of salt, and some vanilla extract. Mix well until the cornstarch has fully dissolved. Adding cornstarch to the custard base is going to help give the ice cream a silky texture by preventing ice crystals from forming later on in the freezer. Over low flame, add the horchata flavor base to a saucepan. Then, while slowly whisking, add the custard base from earlier. The fatty, protein-rich egg yolks will emulsify and enrich the ice cream, but it's important to keep the heat low because we don't want to scorch the egg yolks. The goal is to cook the eggs very gently. Keep whisking until the custard base mixture has thickened. Once the back of a spoon can be evenly coated by the custard like shown here, we know it's done. Transfer to a bowl and cover with plastic wrap before placing in the refrigerator to chill completely, or best overnight. I'm going to be using an ice cream maker to churn the ice cream, but you don't need one. I'll leave some notes in the description box on other methods I've used in the past. If using an ice cream maker, turn it on and place a timer for 20 minutes so it can begin churning and aerating the ice cream. After 20 minutes, the ice cream will have a thick, rich, soft serve texture. It can be enjoyed like this, but I like my ice cream to be a bit firmer, so I'm going to transfer it to a freezer-safe container and smooth out the top before placing some plastic wrap over the ice cream. This is going to help keep the integrity of the ice cream so it doesn't get freezer burned. Cover and place in the freezer for at least 2 hours. After freezing solid, remove the plastic wrap and serve. The ice cream has an amazing texture that's creamy, smooth, and soft with a rich horchata flavor that makes for a really enjoyable dessert. The sweet rice milk infused with hints of cinnamon make this one of my all-time favorite ice cream flavors. Serve and enjoy this horchata alongside some homemade churros and you have a perfect dessert combination. Another way I like to serve this ice cream is by making some churro ice cream sandwiches. These are so incredibly good and make for a really special treat. I hope this recipe inspires you to give horchata flavored ice cream a try sometime. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to join our wonderful fusion family. And for video notifications, don't forget to click the little bell icon that looks something like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Suerte! Ah, my leg. I'm losing my voice. I talked too much at the conference.